Sit on this spinning ball, you got guns and pepper mace, killer smog, heavy fog, and a presidential race. Well, it's all far out to an alien man, but wow, I love this place. You got chicken on the table, shoe shops and candy drops, girls named Barb and Mabel. What a planet, ain't it crazy, living at a dragster pace. I may come from some distant world, but man, I love this place. The sugar queen, 8 to 4 they party. Work hard, you millionaire, you make the bread eat hearty. Smokestack with a burning cloud, you got mountains with a face. This ain't too far from madness now. You bet I love this place. Son, they say as I'm departing back to some boring star where there ain't no good time starting. I gotta check this on my map as a reference, just in case I wanna get nuts or grow long hair. So cool, I love this place.